once again, this is Jhem McGuigan again. Nandito na naman ako. Magkukulitan na naman tayo. And right now, it's I think 10:55 a.m. For today's video po, ako po ay magluluto. Actually, itong dish na lulutuin ko for today, for our lunch, ay nakita ko lang ito sa YouTube. At ang aking pong lulutuin ngayon ay eggplant burger steak style siya, mga kaibigan. So, watch out! Tara na guys, punta na tayo sa ating kitchen. Guys, I already chopped the onion and the garlic into mince. Nakikita nyo naman po, yan na. And then I already boiled the main ingredients of this dish, which is the eggplant. At meron din tayong ibang ingredients gaya ng egg, ng flour, salt, and black pepper powder. I also already cooked the rice. Rice is life for our Filipino. Yay! Dapat po make it sure ng ating eggplant ay lutong-luto para hindi tuyot yung aming uulamin ngayon. So, meron tayong star ng bayan dito, ang already seasoning mix na beef with herbs. Try natin. And then also the mushroom. Okay? Later, let us see what we're going to be a result for this eggplant burger steak style. Ala Jhem. Guys, luto na siya. Balatan na natin siya, guys. I-repeat lang natin ang process eh. Pagkatapos natin pong balatan, ito ay ating dudurugin. The head of Dimpo. Voila! Ready na po siya. Pagkatapos po natin silang durugin ng maigi, ilalagay na po natin siya dito. I-set aside muna po natin siya dito at gumawa po tayo ng 2 itlog. At ito po ating ika-crack at scramble. I-set aside po natin ang scrambled egg. Balik po tayo sa ating main ingredients. Ito po ay lalagyan natin ng 1 tablespoon of flour. Salt, black pepper powder, at i-mix na po natin. At ihalo na po natin ang ating egg. I-mix po natin sila. So, medyo napadami po ang ating egg. 2 eggs po ang ating ginamit. Pag ganito po, may sikreto po tayong gagawin. All we need to do is just to add a little bit more of flour.
Para hindi siya maging watery.
Mix well together. Yan na po. Na-mix na po natin lahat. And then set aside po natin. tayo sa paggawa ng eggplant burger steak style a la Jhem. This time, gagawa naman tayo ng gravy. At very simple lang to guys. All you have to do is to put a 1 cup of water here. Hintayin lang natin mag-boil yan guys. Medyo kumukulo na siya, so i-ready ko na ang aking already seasoning mix. Ilagay lang natin ng dahan-dahan. And i-simmer natin. Bango guys. Next nating ilalagay ang ating mushroom. Mix lang natin to ng maigi guys. After 2 to 3 minutes at ito ay tapos na. Recipe ko na to guys na aking ginawa ay instead na meat na beef mince or pork mince or chicken mince ang gagamitin, ay napagpasyahan kong gamitan nito ng gulay, which is the eggplant. So kaya ito ay magiging eggplant burger steak a la Jhem. Pero guys, don't get me wrong, this dish is not my original dish. Nakita ko lang to sa isang YouTube and then sabi nga nila masarap daw. So kaya tinatry ko. Let us see kung ano magiging result nito, kung masarap nga ba. Ready na ang ating mushroom gravy. I-prepare na natin ang aming lunch. Ito na po ang ating guest for our cooking show, my beloved husband. Picky din kasi to guys. Hindi talaga siya kumakain ng eggplant. Ngayon lang din niya kasi nakita yung dishes na pwedeng gawin sa eggplant. So, okay, the honor is yours, my darling.
I'm the experimenter, I'm the specimen. The sauce, this gravy is very nice. Yeah.
Ano? What can you
Nice.
say?
Garlic?
Yes, I put garlic, onions. I made it mince. And then I also put egg flour, black pepper powder. Oh, so what can you say? What is the average? What is the score?
Say 8 out of 10. Mazerat?
Yes.
Very
Not
nice.
bad. 8 out of 10. Especially
Well, I
this
wanted-
guy that don't eat eggplants recipes. Kakain na kami ng lunch, guys. Okay? Do the honor, darling. And I will do the honor in rice.
Need a serving?
You don't need a sawo.
That's enough.
Diba? Ang dami kong rice na kinuha. Rice is life for the Filipinos.
We haven't had a meal unless we have rice.
Oo. Hindi ko matatawag yun guys na pagkain kapag walang rice.
The Filipinos, if they have a meal, there's no rice, they haven't eaten.
Oo. Like you, darling, if you don't have potato. Na,
Beer.
beer and then beer, that is not meal for you. Ano? What do you think? Okay, let's dig in, guys. Tapos na po kami mag-pray, so kain na. Eto po, oh. First, nasubo sa inyo po.
When I saw this, I thought it was like,
Ah,
it was meat.
Sarap.
Masarap.
Sarap, guys. Nag-only rice tayo, guys. Guys, sobrang sarap. Sa sobrang sarap, nasimot sarap namin ng asawa ko. Try nyo din to. At sa mga kids nyo na picky sa mga vegetables, try nyo to, guys. Siguradong mapapakain nyo sila ng gulay na hindi nila nalalaman. So, asawa, you, what can you say?
It was
You enjoy what?
Very, very nice. Enjoyed it. It's very healthy. The eggplant, very tasty. And we have to do the washing up.
Oo. Kasi ganito kami nun, guys. Pagka ako yung magluluto, siya yung mag-wash. Mag-wash ng aming mga plate. Pag siya naman yung nagluto, ako naman yung mag-wash ng plate. Tulungan ba? Yan. Di ba?
Yeah. Okay, guys.
So, okay, guys.
Keep safe.
At kung nag-enjoy po kayo, guys, sa aming vlog ngayon, maaari niyo pong pindutin ng like, subscribe, put a comment down below, and also share na rin po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong palaging pagsubaybay. Paalam, guys! God bless! Happy lang!